Want longer, thicker, and stronger hair without spending a fortune on shampoos or treatments? The secret isn't just what you put on your scalp, it starts with what you eat. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon, because this channel shares science-backed, natural ways to grow healthy hair from the inside out. One of the best ways to boost hair growth is through fruit-packed recipes that provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for follicle health. First, berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants that protect hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. Make a simple smoothie with a cup of mixed berries, a banana, and a handful of spinach. Blend with almond milk for a delicious, hair-boosting breakfast. Next, kiwi and oranges are loaded with vitamin C, which helps your body produce collagen, strengthening hair strands and reducing breakage. Combine them into a fresh juice or smoothie to sip daily for maximum results. Avocado is a hair superfood, packed with vitamin E, healthy fats, and biotin. Try a hair-nourishing avocado smoothie with a tablespoon of flax seeds, half a banana, and a cup of almond milk. It hydrates your scalp from the inside and promotes shiny, strong strands. Papaya contains enzymes like papain that help repair damaged hair and stimulate new growth. Blend papaya with Greek yogurt and a teaspoon of honey for a creamy, nutrient-rich hair booster. Finally, pomegranate supports circulation to the scalp and protects hair follicles from oxidative stress. Eating pomegranate seeds or drinking fresh pomegranate juice daily can help maintain healthy hair growth and reduce thinning. Remember, these fruits aren't just tasty, they're packed with vitamins A, C, E, biotin, and antioxidants that feed your follicles, strengthen strands, and fight shedding. Pair these recipes with a protein-rich diet, plenty of water, and gentle scalp massages to maximize growth. Consistency is key. Incorporating these fruits daily helps nourish your hair from within, making it longer, stronger, and healthier over time. If you're ready to see real hair growth naturally, click subscribe and comment, "I'm growing my hair naturally," to join the journey. Your healthiest, most luscious hair starts with the foods you eat, and these 5 fruits are your ultimate natural allies.